Hello everyone and welcome to the 21st match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 30 seed, Mannings Hill Primary from St. Andrew, up against Stella Maris Preparatory, also from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Sheldon Reed, and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss, and Mannings Hill Primary won. They decided that Stella Maris Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Indicator clock, Stella Maris, we begin with Bible knowledge. What is the name of the 6th book in the Bible?
Joshua.
Correct. Mannings Hill Bible knowledge. What is the 6th book of the Bible's New Testament?
Romans.
Correct. Stella Maris science. Which of the following is a contact force? Is it gravity, friction, or magnetism?
Friction.
Correct. Science to you, Mannings Hill. Why is magnetism a non-contact force?
Because it attracts metal.
Because it don't touch.
Repeat for me.
Because it don't touch.
Because it don't touch.
Judges? Incomplete answer. It can act without objects touching each other. Stella Maris, International Affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Just say my
Dean Bowers.
Incorrect. It's Guyana's Prime Minister, Moses Nagamutu. International Affairs to you, Mannings Hill. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Ralph Gonzalez? Oh, wrong. Raul
Castro.
Correct. Stella Maris, English language. How do you spell the word compliment as used in the sentence? The woman paid the girl a compliment on her outfit.
Complement.
Incorrect. Compliement. Mannings Hill, English language. How do you spell the word counsel as used in the sentence? The therapist provided counsel to the affected patients.
Council.
Incorrect. Counsel. Stella Maris, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Just say Halle
Berry.
Incorrect. Sana Lathan, television to you. Mannings Hill, this is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Lauren London.
Incorrect. Gabriel Union. General knowledge, Stella Maris. What is the fastest land animal on the earth?
Cheetah.
Correct. General knowledge, Mannings Hill. What is the slowest land animal on the earth?
Slug.
Incorrect. The sloth. Stella Maris, social studies. Which hurricane badly affected Puerto Rico in 2017?
Hurricane Maria.
Correct. Mannings Hill, social studies. What are the names of the 2 Category 5 hurricanes which affected the Caribbean in September 2017?
Irma and Maria.
Correct. Stella Maris, music. Which of the Marley Brothers released the song Revelation Party?
Ziggy Marley.
Incorrect. Stephen Marley. Mannings Hill, music. Which of the Marley Brothers released the song Personal Revolution?
Ziggy Marley.
Correct. Stella Maris, mathematics. What is the result when you subtract 14.67 from 53.49?
Say something.
32.85.
Incorrect. 38.82. Mannings Hill, mathematics. What is the result when you subtract 11.79 from 51.76? The question passes, Stella Maris.
No, thank you, sir.
39.97. And that is the end of Section 1. The scores currently read both Mannings Hill Primary and Stella Maris Preparatory tied on 4. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, you need to know when a test will take place and the topics that will be covered. Create a study plan and allow ample time to prepare. There's nothing worse than cramming the night before an exam. Stay with us. This match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.